Good morning, everybody. It's Wednesday, October 30th, 2024. Welcome to the live stream. My name is Joseph, and the name of our channel is Smart Money Traders, where we trade along with the smart money. This morning here, we have definitely a reversal at the open. Overnight, the market was selling off. And at 9:45 this morning, the market turned around to the upside. Now, could this be a retracement from overnight to go lower, or is it a complete reversal to get a new high for the day? So we'll have to wait and see here. We got a big wick on the 30-minute on the ES. We're definitely gonna have to be a little patient here. We would need a pullback, a retracement here to go long. And right now, looking at this, we had a resistance because right around 58.75 was support overnight. Now it's resistance. When I just draw this blue line here, so could this be a resistance area that the market may turn around to the downside? Now it's been ranging over the last 3 minutes, so some indecision going on here, but definitely it's been on a tear to the upside from 9:45 and on. So we'll have to wait. We need probably pull back towards 62, 63 to really get a nice entry to the upside. If he breaks this area here, there's another resistance, 81. So we're just in the wait and see mode right now for the ES. The NQ probably the same thing. Yeah, we had resistance in the NQ as well. I don't want to be engaging either way here. Just gotta wait and see what happens. Again, patience. So make sure that I'm live here. Let's see. Yeah, I am live. Okay, so with that, just gonna have to wait for a pullback to go to the upside, or if we get one, make sure that we so right before the stream, so that did when this was running up, that I got long here with the ES and got it was a 2 target trade. So and I covered the resistance, which is the blue line, 58.70 and a half. That was a quick scalp to the upside, but we're gonna have to wait here on stream to see if we have something going on. Right now, I can see here the last 4 or 5 minutes on the NQ down here. It's kind of ranging. Yes, looks like he wants to break up to the upside. The NQ is definitely a resistance right here. We're gonna have to wait and see what we get here. This market is very expensive right now, so a sell here could be something that pays off, because it's definitely at resistance, and but I don't think I'm ready to go short here in this market's been running away to the upside, so I think I would rather wait for a pullback, let it come down, and when we have it set up to go long, we may go long. Definitely a fight going on here up there at the resistance area here. So, like I said, we should definitely see some selling here, but I'm not sure if I'm comfortable selling counter trend here, because definitely from 9:45 this market been kind of running up. So, you know, definitely a dangerous place to. Definitely don't want to buy there because it's kind of expensive and extended. But selling here, you know, definitely have a defined risk. Let's say the NQ, for example. Your stop will be at above 690, and our target could be all the way down here because they may even bring it all the way down to this band, or at least to this here. So about 20. Can risk 10 points here, and and go for a 20-point target. It's 10:22. At 10:30 today was Wednesday. We're gonna have crude oil inventory. That's another, news that may move the market. Earlier today, I think we had, I believe we had advanced GDP year over year. It came out to be negative. That's probably why at the beginning here the market sold off. But yeah, right around this time here, 8:30, that's when the news came out. The market sold off. Then it's recovering. Definitely recovered from that sell-off from the morning. So definitely dangerous place to sell here. Everything is pointing to the upside at the moment. So, but it's kind of extended at the same time. And it's at a resistance zone. So, look at the NQ. Same thing with DES here. Resistance zone extended. Probably would want a little pullback to the downside here before we can engage long. But again, we're in no hurry. So we're just gonna have to wait and see what this market does. Looking at my footprint chart here, it's definitely ranging, and it's a range. It's a 15 range volumetric bar. So again, we can definitely see a pullback here. We see pin bar here. Attempted to go higher, failed. So if they go lower here, it's really not a surprise. It wouldn't be a surprise if they go lower. But even though the whole theme of the market is higher, so you know, the shorts might get punished here too. So I think it's too expensive to buy and not really clear enough yet to sell. So just gonna stay on the sidelines for now. So it's 10:30. The initial balance has formed, so we basically at the top of the initial balance here. So we may see, again, that's another reason that we can see a little sell-off toward the middle of the range. Um, so let's see how it goes. This market's been kind of ranging here when I'm looking at the ES on the left here. Look at the ES. Initial balance high is about 52. 58.82 and a quarter. And the initial balance low is the low of the session, of the regular session so far, which is, click on this candle, 58.45.50. And the high of this candle is 58.82.50. So let me take this line out. So these two blue lines here is basically the initial balances, which is very wide. So we got a resistance congestion area before. So again, They may bring this back down here, or they may not. They may keep pushing it up. Either way, we'll wait to see what happens here. Our preference would be to see a pullback toward the middle of the range, which at this point is 58.63 and 3/4. If they come back to the middle of the range here, we'll see what happens. But if they don't, again, if we see some selling off happening, and that's supported by the order flow and by also the institution, because so far the institution are mainly green. They've been pushing this market up from the beginning, even with the sell-off they were buying. So remember, the big boys, they buy when the market is selling off at times. So that could be, you know, if they might be unwind. If they decide to unwind some of the positions here, we're gonna see some red in the market internals. Then we may want to engage short briefly, just mostly like a scalp to the downside. But so far there's some trapping happening right now. If you're a buyer here, you definitely bought at the top of that initial balance, which they could bring it all the way down toward the middle to shake them off. And if you're a seller, you might get squeezed here too. So we'll just wait. Things are not clear yet. I want to say hello to whoever was watching. It looks like I've seen somebody here when I look at the people that are watching. There's at least one person watching here. So thank you for supporting the stream. Please like and subscribe, and share it with anyone that you think that may benefit from this. Again, definitely some selling happening right now, which is not something that is not shocking, because in order for the market to go higher here, I think we may have to bring it back down to about 71 on the ES. So let's wait and see what happens here. The short here looks like it's yeah, setting up here for a short. Mm. I will not be chasing it here. Okay, now we would want to see maybe a pull back to 81. I may not get that. On the NQ. Yeah, I think we probably missed that entry here. Entry at 76 here would have been decent, but again, we would need another pullback, maybe to this band about 80, 81 to engage short. Let's see what happens. Yeah, we'll need to see some kind of pullback here to consider a short, because it's not. You would definitely would be kind of chasing that short. So that blue line that we have here at, I believe at 59, that's the support line. 59 and 3/4. Definitely wouldn't want to be selling on top of that. It's breaking it right now. Okay. There's the sell off. I mean, we knew that area was a resistance area. So let's see if we can get a pullback toward the cloud, even to this band here. And then we may Engage short. Oh, it's not giving us the pullback yet. Just gotta wait and see. Oh, okay. My volume is sorry. My volume is too low. I'm sorry. Can chat? Can you tell me if you hear me better now? Let me know if you can hear me better. Okay. Thank you. Yeah, I'm just looking at this here. Again, we wanted to sell up here, but it was a risky one because they could have squeezed this a seller here. But now, if we get a pullback toward, let me move this at this zone right here. If we get a pullback toward this 75.80, if we do, I don't think we're gonna get that. Oh, the sell-off is on the way here. Yeah, I was a little bit cautious, with for a reason because this market can definitely fool you if you're not careful. So now we have a fair value gap on the 2000 tick chart between 59 and 48. So see if they come back to that zone 2 and make a U-turn, that could be an opportunity to sell on the NQ. Let's look at the ES. Yes, it's kind of setting up short too here, but so typically what they do on the end indices like this, they go down. They may do it like a double pullback, something like this, and then go lower. So let's see what happens. Okay. Is this the double pullback that I talked about earlier, or is it going back higher? So we'll have to find out. We need a negative bar here to consider going short. On the NQ, yes, it's moving higher. And also ES, so NQ is approaching that global. So that the Globex VWAP. So that could be a resistance point right there to at 72. Yeah. It's 10:57, so almost 11 o'clock. So that's another reason to be kind of careful here. So we had that double pullback form here. And maybe doing that and go lower. $66 would be my stop. 67. We'll definitely wait until 11 to see how it goes here, because we can see a push either way. It's 11 o'clock, so let's see how they move this market here. I think we might be trying to sell it here. Let's see. Yeah, we're gonna go down one contract here. Let's see what happened. NQ. with a catastrophic stop above here, and we're looking to cover. We're looking to cover down here. Hmm. Definitely taking some heat at the moment, but I mean, technically, your stop really should be at 70, I believe. A couple more points above that. Let's see what happened here. If we were to break down past this level at 39, we could see some more down move here. But, if we were to break 39, we're probably going to tighten our stop to about 60, 61 maybe. Okay, it's breaking down here. So, yeah, I think reducing my stop here at 61 and a quarter could be something we do. Thing is, you don't want to get nicked before. Yeah, let's wait and see here. Hmm. If we get below 33 here, yeah, we should time our stop. Um, That's 34. Yeah, 33 and a quarter, 31. Yeah, we're gonna time our stop here. Honestly, we could, yeah, time up to 55. I think we can get to that band and let's see. I'm gonna go below the band and toward the bottom of the band here. I think at this point we should be at break even. We're gonna move it down to break even here. Maybe give it 2 ticks. Let's see if we can get to that band. And go from there. Oh, you hit the band, the top of the band, and it's a big fight here. If we make a new low here, we're gonna move our stop and capture about 10 points here. Let's do that now. Capture about 10 points. Oh, just wait and see. Yeah. We don't want to make this a premature. All right, give me a new low here, then I'll move and capture 10 points. I'll just leave it where it's at now. Okay. Okay, getting another push down here. And this may be the real push down. Yeah, we're going for about 38, no, straight 30, 35 points here on the NQ. So we're almost there. So we're already locked in 10 points here. Okay. Looks like I'm about to hit our target. Come on now. 5 more points. Okay. Thank you very much. Hit the target for 35 points on the NQ. So I believe today that might be it for us as far as trading. So hit it to the tick and turn around. So probably here for another 10-15 minutes until like 11:30, and see if there's any question in the chat. In the chat. So definitely nice little sell here in the NQ. Again, we wanted market was expensive up here. We wanted to break down this level, came back and gave us that double pullback. We went short right around 44. Again, the short could have been a little higher, about 50, but we get the 35 points we were looking for. So that's not a bad day. 44 and a quarter to 9 and a quarter, 35 points, and we might be. I think we might be done trading here for the day. So Right now, it looks like yeah, it looks like it's bouncing higher here. So definitely market internals are they're turning bearish on the ES. Yeah. But again, this was a support zone. This was a fair value gap. It's a 9-minute fair value gap here. So, and it's right at the Globex VWAP. So we know there could be some support there. And the NQ will be below the VWAP. So I think really should be favoring shorts here still. That's the resistance zone. Again, that's why having a target is important, because here, have I not taken my profit here, it would be 5 points away from my entry. And if I remember, I move my stop to capture 10 points, I'd just get 10 points instead of 35. So sometimes if you got a high probability target, you want to definitely shoot for that instead of trying to capture the whole move, because you can always re-enter. But right now it looks like they may want to move it higher. Now let's look at the NQ here on the bigger picture chart, the 30-minute chart. So this, I'm gonna move this line here to the bottom of the range, which is the initial balance. So it looks like they move right around the middle of the initial balance, and they're turning it around. So that could be a sign. Earlier I did mention that to go long would be a good place to go in the middle of that range for the day. So let's see if they do that here now, or if they continue to sell. It's 11:21. A few more minutes, I'll end the stream. Unless there's any comments or questions here. I don't see any yet. So definitely the market going higher now. It's not it's really not totally surprising, because we hit that middle of the range. I think 50% of the range here. Let me make it a bigger. The 50% line is right here. So kind of went with the golden zone here between the 50% and the 61.8. Sorry. So hit that zone and turn around. I mean, we knew selling up here was a high probability, because we had the support from overnight, and also the market was just overextended right at the top of the high initial balance high over here, and they bring it back down to the support. So right now, again, the market buying wouldn't be a bad thing, because we looking to go higher here, I believe. So just gotta have to wait and see. And when I bring over my order flow chart on the NQ here, definitely looks like the buyers got some positive delta on the last couple bars. So we should see some higher movement here. I want to thank Jimmy for coming and support the stream. you so much, Jimmy. Again, they're moving higher. Again, that target was right on target, no pun intended. So all I did here is just took my money and run. Okay, traders, I'm about to end the stream. Just a recap. Went along the ES here, and this one up for a quick scalp earlier. This is right before the stream started. Then also went short the NQ for about 35 points here, because market was getting expensive up here. And when this breakdown happened, we waited for the double pullback and we went short in this area for 35 points. Covered really has a nice location. Now this market is going higher. Again, big picture, the market was up since 9:45. Market starting to run up, and we did say, the initial balance, if we can get back in the middle of it, we may see some buying again. And that's kind of what happened here. So good luck if you continue to trade. Be careful out there. It's lunchtime, 11:30, and so we may see some back and forth going on here before they decide to push it one way or the other. But definitely bullish for the rest of the day. We should see some bullish movement. But with that, thank you so much for watching. God bless. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and support this channel. Just my way to just share with the community my trading and some insight as I'm trading live. And if you know anyone that may benefit from this stream, just let them know about the channel, Smart Money Traders, where we trade along with the smart money. At least we do our best to do so, because smart money has a lot of tricks up their sleeve. So sometimes they may fool us, and sometimes we go right along with them, like we did this morning here. Thank you so much. You have a good one. God bless. Goodbye.